Hi, dear all. Again, Shaji from Masters Academy. The second time. Day before yesterday, I came for the same live for the Maldives visa. So now the second batch of candidates from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, even from Andhra. So they have been here for collecting the visas. First of all, thank you all my team. Thank you my candidates because without any recommendations, okay, ആരുടെയും ഒരു മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞ ഔദാര്യമില്ലാതെ ഇവരുടെ കഴിവുകൾ കൊണ്ട്, okay, ഇവരുടെ കഴിവുകൊണ്ട് they have taken the degree and the masters, even B.Ed, even teaching experience, okay, so they have attended the interview of Ministry of Education in Maldives, okay, so the interview team thoroughly taken the interview plan. They have taken the demo classes, so very smartly these people have taken the demo classes. Without any other application, the ministry has given the appointment letter and visa as a teacher of Maldives government right now. Maldives government teacher ആയിട്ട് പോകാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുന്ന candidates ആണ്. എല്ലാവർക്കും a big hand and a really congratulations for everybody. Okay, so all the best. It's not a simple job. Okay, it's not a simple job. Okay, അത്യാവശ്യം ഒരാളുടെ ജോലി കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, സുഖമായിട്ട് കുടുംബം എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, കഴിഞ്ഞു പോകാം. Right? It's a turning point. It's a turning point. You are married? No, married? No, okay, yeah. But before getting married, getting a government job, right? In case, okay. All the best to your fiancé, right? Yes, okay. Without getting that word, okay. You're married, right? How many kids?
I have 2 kids.
2 kids, okay. So getting a good job with the Ministry of, it's not a private schools. And the support from the Ministry of Education, Maldives. Kashi madam, really, hearty thanks to you because even yesterday was holiday. Normally for Maldives, Friday and Saturday is a holiday. But in that holiday, ma'am, the Ministry of Education team is really concerned about it. They asked me, Mr. George, how the things are arranged, whether things are okay, and the accommodation, the SIM cards, okay, the food, how you are, everything they are taking care. Normally the ministry won't ask that kind of things. But the Ministry of Education, you are safe in the hands of Ministry of Education. Okay? So congratulations once more. My team, my whole master's team, and your family members. Okay, the next will be on Monday too. We are sending it. I know your ticket is on 26th, right? And I have previously explained how to register in the IMUGA. Okay, the IMUGA website. Okay, that is an app by the Maldivian government. We will send the link to you. We will make a WhatsApp group. We will update you, and we will tell you how to do that. Not to make any confusion. You just get ready to move. That's all. Okay. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. Scientists don't. It is scientists there. Take care of it, okay? Sorry. And you have to take the RT-PCR test before 72 hours, okay? Because that all things will get you. Okay? First of all, congratulations, Ms. Ashamor. You should please take your visa for that. Thank you very much. Okay, and just say something about us. In Malayalam or English, both you can.
Sincere thanks from Masters Academy. വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട് സാറിനോട് എല്ലാ സഹകരണങ്ങൾക്കും ഒരുപാട് നന്ദിയുണ്ട്. പ്രതീക്ഷയോടുകൂടി പോകുന്ന ഒരു ടീമാണ്. മാസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് തന്ന ഈ ഒരു വളരെ സ്നേഹപൂർവ്വം സ്വീകരിക്കും.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you very much. Okay. So, next is for Mr. Kashim Syed. Okay. Yeah, Mr. Kashim. So, Mr. Kashim, actually he is from Chhattisgarh. Sorry, Telangana. Okay. So, from Telangana, the candidate came to attend the interview. Even some of there are some problems for our candidates, especially Malayalis. ഇത്രയും ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്യണല്ലോ, അല്ല എങ്ങനെ വരണം, അത് ഇന്നടുത്ത് ആക്കാൻ പറ്റും. But he overcome all the obstacles in that COVID time. Okay. Really appreciations. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. Say something about us.
Hello everybody. My name is Qasim Syed, teacher in mathematics from Telangana. I am very happy and feel lucky to be a teacher of Maldives. At this moment, I thank to Masters Academy team members as well as Director of Master Academy, Shaji George sir. All of you give them big round of applause.
Thank you very much. God bless you, man. Thank you very much.
Also, my heartfelt congratulations to all my colleagues, those who have received the work permits from Master Academy. Also, join hands together.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you,
sir.
Thank you very much. So, who's that? Huh? Rajeshekar. Okay. Come. Yeah, give you. Mr. Rajeshekar. Yeah. And special thanks to him also. He's from Tanjavur. He's from Tanjavur. Yeah, tell me.
Hello, I am Rajashekharan from Tanjavur. During my first time I attended the interview online here only. I have experience in some other agents in some other country also. But this is the first experience online interview. That day I am not expecting I am definitely shortlisted like that. But luckily I shortlisted. At the same time I give my thanks to the Master Academy and the team members for providing good service.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Aishwarya. Yeah, come. Yeah, Aishwarya. Yeah, Aishwarya, no? Yeah. Yes. Congratulations. Tell me, Aishwarya.
അതിന് തന്നെ ദൈവത്തിന് നന്ദി പറഞ്ഞു.
Yes.
അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ മാസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് അക്കാഡമി ടീമിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറയാതെ പറ്റില്ല. ഞങ്ങൾ പല സിറ്റുവേഷൻസിലും ഞങ്ങൾ പല ബ്രാഞ്ചസിലും വിളിക്കേണ്ട ഓരോ സിറ്റുവേഷൻസ് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോഴൊക്കെ നമ്മുടെ ഹോപ്പൊന്നും കളയാതെ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ നല്ലപോലെ എൻകറേജ് ചെയ്ത് ഇത് ഷുവറാണ്, ഇതിന്റെ ഷുവർട്ടി പൂർണ്ണമായിട്ടും മാസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് അക്കാഡമി ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഞങ്ങൾ റൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ചൂസ് ചെയ്ത ഒരു ഒരു ഏജൻസിയാണ് മാസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് അക്കാഡമി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഒത്തിരി താങ്ക്സ് ഉണ്ട് മാസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് അക്കാഡമിയോട് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Come. Who's that? Jennifer. Please come, Jennifer. Oh, stand out. Yes. Yeah, Jennifer from Cochin. Yeah. Yeah, Jennifer, tell me something about that.
First of all, thanks to Shaji sir and team for their surprising effort to make this happen. I was really surprised because I sent my resume to their email and they responded in half an hour. And next day was my screening, and within like 1.5 weeks they conducted the interview, and everything was very quick. And it was really surprising.
Okay, thank you.
And it's very, very good effort by the team.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you very much. Okay, who's that? Yeah. Come. Stay good, sit good, eh? Okay. You're from? He's from Ernakulam. Okay. Yeah, tell me something.
My name is Nico, and I thank Masters Academy for giving me this opportunity. And may God bless this Masters Academy with all the happiness in the future.
Thank God. She put down. You're very smart man. Okay. God bless you. God bless you. Okay. Yeah. Come. Yeah. Come. Your name is? Kavita. Kavita from? Kasaragod. Yeah. Very far. Okay. Yesterday also I've given support to Kasaragod. Okay. Do you know them? Okay. I'll give the number. I have to contact them. Okay. When you come to the airport, you can talk to them with them too. Okay. Yeah. Good places. Yes. Okay. Say, Kavita, tell me something about that.
Yeah, thank you so much. First of all, I should say congratulations and very thankful to the team Masters Academy. As she said, every moment all the staff members very helpful, and they made surety that we will make it. And when we came for interview, we all were like excited.
Okay.
But the staff members, they made sure that we perform it.
Okay.
And thank you so much, and we are grateful.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. This is the support we needed. Okay. This is not a one-man show. Okay. Even if you got it, license got it, but with the teamwork. Okay. This is the way. I mean, your good words. It's give us power to do something more. Okay. I'm promising you, our team is there. Our team is in Maldives. For any other help, you don't want to do. You are alone. Okay. Family. They're with the family. They are with family. Okay. So my friends are there. Cousins are there. In each island, you will get the support of us. Okay? Thank you very much. We will meet in the airport. Okay, on 26th. Thank you very much. God bless you all. God bless you. Thank you.